Meet Wu.
大家好，我叫吴玉露，我是一个农民。
Wu is a simple guy. He didn't go to college, high school, or middle school. He doesn't read books or use the internet. He is just a simple old farmer at a village in China. His appearance and lack of education might fool you, but they shouldn't. Because this simple man is China's Iron Man. Over 20 years, he taught himself how to build actual robots from scratch. This farmer built robots that can carry him around. Robots that can walk and pour water. Robots that can write Chinese. And 100 other robots that do 100 other things.
你好，
All of this he built from really basic objects like ping pong balls and without using the internet.
我帮他上网呢。
Now he sells the robots and teaches students how to build them at a university. This simple farmer is why we shouldn't judge books by their cover.
带着我们呢，See you tomorrow.